Okay. Tell me something. You've been talking this whole time. You gonna get your feet? Do you need some help? Come here. Get those feet. There you go. Hey. You talk? This is riveting. Got that on video.
Get that on video?
It's okay. I had to catch you, baby. It's okay. Come here.
Mommy scared me.